Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem called this app can't run on your PC. Sometimes in your PC, some of apps you want to download, but they shows this kind of notification in your computer. So how you going to fix it? First, you have to recognize you need to download the right operating system version bit for your computer. So you need to acknowledge which version you have. If I type over here, your PC information or view your PC. So from here, as you can see, in your system type, 64-bit operating system or x64 based processor in your computer. If you have a different kind of system type in your computer, then you need to download the different type best system operating system download 5. So if you just go for our Google Chrome browser and if we just type over here Visual C++ and go for this option over here, every downloading section it has these three options called ARM64 or x86 or x64. You need to make sure that your computer has the same operating system as in the download section. So if you acknowledged with these situations, that you won't get this message in your computer ever. So after that, what you can do, if you go for this software, if you want to download it, as you can see, so for that, if you just click on the right mouse button and then go for the properties section, and from here you will get a bunch of options over here, and from here you just need to click on compatibility. How do I choose compatibility setting manually? From here you can simply click on this run as program compatibility, give the Windows 8, and then from here you just need to click on this run this program as administrator and then click apply and then click OK. By this problem you can simply you can get the downloading option over here or the installing interface over here. So by these two methods you can solve it. But if it's not solved yet, then so after that you just need to come for in your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings, and into the search bar you just need to search for developer and you get this option called use developer features. Click on that, and from here you just need to turn on the developer mode. Click yes for the permission, and now close it. Come over into the search option another time and going to search for user account. And as you can see, there will be an option pops up called change user account control setting. Click on that, and from here you just need to drag down it to the below and then click OK and click yes for the permission. And after that you just need to come over search option another time, going to search for Windows security. You'll get the Windows security over here. Click on that. So from here you just need to come over into app browser control. Click on that, and from here you just need to click on reputation based protection setting. Click on that, and here you just need to turn it off, and that's it. And now if you try your software to download, then I hope you won't get this the app can't run on your computer PC notification in your computer. So these simple methods can help you to fix this problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.